Hello viewers. Today we are going to discuss about the parts of the some of the parts of the rig and also machineries. After viewing my videos, if you like, please subscribe. So what are the different parts and machinery? So as we see here, first one is pipe rack. First one is pipe rack and the second one is fingerboard. Fingerboard and the third one is pickup and lay down machine. Pickup and lay down machine. And the last one is the casing stabbing board. Last one is the casing stabbing board. So these are the topics we are going to discuss today. See here, this is what pipe rack. The indication of the arrow shows the casing. So what is pipe rack? Pipe rack is a place where the tubulars are stored and positioned before lifting them up the rig floor. Mostly we are using pipe racks for the accommodating the drill pipes or maybe drill collars or heavyweight drill pipe, tubing and casing. So we are using the pipe racks for the same purpose for different pipes or maybe casings. The purpose is used to support. We are using this pipe rack for support to place the whatever the pipes you want to send the rig floor. So you see here in this photo, casing is already equipped with centralizers. So what is centralizer and what are the types of centralizers? So centralizer is a part which is placed in the center of the casing. The purpose of the centralizer is used to position, that is putting the casing in the central. That means it the centralizer will not allow the casing to touch the surface of the hole. So all the casing firmly stand because of the centralizers. There are types of centralizers are there. For open hole there is a one type of centralizer. For cased hole there is another type of centralizer. So that is what pipe rack. And next one is fingerboard. What is fingerboard? Where we see this fingerboard? So this fingerboard is situated in the derrick. The person who is working over this fingerboard is derrick man. What is the purpose of the fingerboard and what is diving board? In this fingerboard, what are the tubulars? Those are drill pipes. Mostly we see for top drive system. Stands, we are place them in a side by side. So in these fingers we will place the stands. For example, so this is the rig floor and maybe here the fingerboard is available. So here you will place like this. This is one stand, second, third, fourth, like that. here you will place the drill pipes which are in the stands mode, that is 3 drill pipes. Then what is diving board? What is the purpose of diving board? The person who is working on this monkey board, so he will go with the help of full safety harnesses. With the help of that, he will simply take the stand or maybe any anything, that is what you are handling there. The person is handling, he will take with the help of this diving board. He will accommodated in this area. In this area he will move front and back to handle the pipes, and after he will place them in this finger board for securing firmly. That is what the purpose of finger board and diving board. So when he is placing this stands at the time of tripping, that is what running in the hole and pull out of the hole. One is running in the hole, another one is pulling out of the hole. So these are the two operations. The person who is working in the monkey board will take the drill pipes, or those are stands, from the well board to the monkey board, or maybe the vice versa. And next one, pick up and lay down machine. So when we will take pick up and when we will do lay down. So here you see different parts which are indicated in the numbering. First one you see cat line, second one sheave, third one traveling line, fourth one fast line, fifth one trough, sixth one rig floor, seventh one pole placed in mouse hole, and the eighth one is pipe ramp, ninth one is catwalk, 10th one pickup attachments, and 11 hydraulic arms, and the next one operating gas, and the next one traveling line winch, the fast line winch, and the last but one hydraulic power unit, and the last one is unit carrier. So these are the different parts of the pickup and lay down machine. So how they are pick up and how they are lay down. What is pick up and what is lay down? What is pick up means whenever there is a need of drill pipes, casings, heavyweight, or maybe any drill collar, at that time we have to send those are the required components from the downside to the rig floor with the help of this machine. So mostly we are sending the drill pipes and casing, tubing, and heavyweight sometimes. And mostly we are using for drill collars separate crane, because the weight of the drill collar is very high. That's why we use crane instead of using this pick up and lay down machine. So how it is operating? You see here it is move upside. In the trough we will place the drill pipe you want to put, that is 30 feet of length. After that they are operating this one from lower position to from here to here. So once it reaches from there, they will use air winch and they will collect to rig floor. That is what the pickup. And the reverse operation is the lay down. When the time of pulling out of the hole, at that time they will lay down. Pulling out of the hole, they will lay down the whatever the drill pipes they want to lay down. And the last one is the casing stabbing board. What is casing and what is casing stabbing board? Casing is nothing but a large diameter thin walled pipe which is used to make the hole stable. It avoids collapse of the hole. So what is casing stabbing board means? In the drilling rig having two places in the derrick the people can work. The first one is the derrick monkey board where the derrickman work, and the next one is casing stabbing board. So in this casing stabbing board the person who is working is not a derrickman, another specialized persons who run the casing into the well. They will come and they will start operation. They will send the casing into the well bore. Casing stabbing board is a personal mobile platform. In itself it having one remote control switch. With the help of that casing stabbing board operator will move and up but with the help of that remote control switch. It is installed in the derrick. It can be moved up and down to allow the operator to guide the casing joint from top side. It is equipped with several anti-fall devices because at any time it may fall. For that reason they are providing some anti-fall devices. Okay viewers, I hope you understand very well about the pipe rack, what is, and finger board, that is what monkey board, and the mission of pick up and lay down, and the last one casing stabbing board. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.